Hey guys, so in honor of Pride Month, I wanted to do a little series with a bunch of Pride themed looks. And this video will be a little tutorial on how I got this pansexual themed cut crease. And again, you don't have to use the exact same products I'm using, just use whatever works for you. So with that being said, let's get into it. So first off, y'all know you gotta use some primer. So I'll be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So before we get started, let me go over the products I'll be using. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use colors from the new Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. And the colors specifically will be Campy, Kai Kai, and a mixture between Fishy and Kiki. And then for the eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. And I think the shade is called Trooper. It has completely rubbed off, but the black eyeliner. So starting off with a dense packing brush, I'm gonna go in with Kai Kai and apply that in the inner corner and blend that up just a little bit. And I'm just taking it up, making sure to apply that above the crease. And I'm gonna use a fluffy brush now to just blend that all out. And next, using another packing brush, I'm gonna go in with Campy and apply that kind of where I left off with the pink. And I'm overlapping the colors just a little bit. And using yet another packing brush, I'm gonna go in with Fishy and apply that where I left off with the yellow. And now I'm adding a little bit of Kiki just on the top of it. So now it's time to cut the crease. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and this flat concealer brush. And you're gonna wanna take your time with this just to make sure you get it nice and smooth. And I'm just applying that right at the bottom of it. And I'm also winging it out at the edge of the blue. And now I'm just gonna set the concealer with the shade Cake Face. And last but not least, it's time to add the eyeliner. And of course, just apply this the way you normally would apply your eyeliner. And there you go. And now just repeat that on the other eye and you're good. And there you go. That's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. And if you do decide to recreate this look, please tag me in any pictures. I'd love to see them. And subscribe to my channel as well. I'd really appreciate it. And have a happy Pride Month. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.